find this painting?
In an old locker. It was done by Burnett Stone when he was a child. I was told that he used to work on this railroad. But he never leaves the other side of the mountain now. You seem puzzled, Mr. Conductor.
Well, I am puzzled. This place looks like the island of Sodor, but how would Burnett Stone travel there without gold dust? Anyway, I just came to say goodbye. I have to go now.
Right now?
Well, yes, Stacy, I have to make sure that everything is safe and sound on the island of Sodor, just as I try to do here. Is something the matter?
Oh, nothing. Nothing to worry about, Mr. Conductor.
I know. Boomer's bad for this rally. But so is this train if I don't get it to Doodlehaven on time.
But Mutt sensed trouble, and that just like Diesel on Sodor, Boomer was the cause of it here in the valley.
Burnett Stone.